I took raw splintery oak chips and turned them into the best flavor I've ever put in my mead. And here's exactly how you do it too. I'll walk you through time, temperature, and toast levels, and show you how to match each one to your mead style. Toasting your own oak lets you shape the flavor before it even touches the mead. Whether you're after a hint of vanilla or deep smoky complexity, it all comes down to time, temperature, and technique. You don't need fancy gear, just clean oak and a baking tray in your kitchen oven. Start with clean, seasoned, untreated oak, French or American. Skip anything else that's glued, stained, or pressure treated. Spread your chips or staves on a foil-lined baking sheet in a single layer. Don't pile them. Set your oven based on the flavor you're after. 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes gives you a soft vanilla, coconut, and floral note. 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour brings out caramel, warm spice, and toasted bread. 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit gives you honey, brown sugar, and a touch of smoke. And 425 degrees for 90 minutes, that gets you bold coffee, cocoa, and a charred oak. Flip larger sticks or staves halfway through to make sure they toast evenly. Always keep an eye on them, especially at higher temps. Oak can go from perfectly toasted to burnt fast. Ventilate your kitchen and toast outside if possible. It can get smoky. One mistake I see often is crowding the baking tray or skipping the flip. That leads to uneven toasting and an uneven flavor. Toasting is simple, but it's not totally hands-off. Here's a tip to save time. Sift your chips before you toast. Pull out tiny slivers and overcharged chunks that burn too quickly or overpower the batch. Keep the ones around an inch square. They toast more evenly and give a smoother flavor. Do you want a quick way to preview flavor depth? Toast oak to different levels. Drop each into a mason jar with the same spirit, and then let them sit for a few days. Compare the aroma and the color to see which one fits your mead style. For extra character, try soaking the oak in bourbon, brandy, rum, or wine before toasting. Those infused sugars deepen during the roast and carry into the final flavor. Also, keep in mind, toast level should match your mead style. Light toast pairs beautifully with floral traditionals or citrusy melomels. Medium toast works well with fruit-forward recipes like sizers and berry blends. And the heavy toast, that's where you go bold. Think bouchées, capsicumels, or metheglins with rich spice. Once everything's done, let it cool fully. Store the toasted oak in a sealed jar or a vacuum bag to preserve the aroma. Label each batch with the toast level and the date so that you can recreate it or blend across batches for complexity. Are you still wondering how each level smells and tastes? Toast a few sticks at different levels and line them up. You'll see the color shift and smell the difference, from pale vanilla to dark espresso. Want to skip the whole process? No shame there. You can buy pre-toasted seasoned oak, including light, medium, or heavy toast levels. But if you want full control and better flavor, doing it yourself is worth it. Drop a comment below to share how your oak toasting went, or ask anything you're curious about. If there's a mead topic you'd like me to cover next, let me know. Before we wrap up, if this helped, tap the like button and subscribe for more mead making strategies that actually work. Ready to go deeper? Grab my free ebook, Mead-Making at Home Easily. It walks you through my exact step-by-step process for crafting exceptional mead, and take the guesswork out of doing it right. Looking for more? The Practical Mead-Maker is the guide I wish I had when I started. It covers everything from honey varieties and water chemistry to off flavors, troubleshooting, and flavor balance, all in a clear, beginner-friendly format. You'll find both links in the pinned comment or in the video description, along with my recommended tools and gears that I use. Have a question? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And don't miss the other videos and playlists on this channel. I walk through every part of the mead making process, from advanced techniques to dialing in flavor. So you've got everything you need to make a mead you're proud to share. Once you've toasted your own oak, the difference will be obvious. That raw green wood smell turns into sweet, rich depth, and your next batch won't just be drinkable. It'd be something worth sharing. Again, click one of my videos over here. A lot more information about mead making. Happy mead making, and I'll see you in the next video.